In this video, we're going to compute the indefinite integral cosine of natural log x divided by x. And I'm going to start by using a formal u-substitution, and then I'll talk about how we might do it in a little more streamlined way. I'm going to let u equal the argument of the cosine function here, let u equal natural log x, which means du is going to be the derivative of natural log x, that's 1 over x, times dx. And so I noticed that I already have du sitting in my integral. It's 1 over x times dx. So this integral quickly transforms to the integral of cosine of u du. We guess the antiderivative of this, which is just sine u plus c. And we need to state our final answer back in terms of x. So I replace u with natural log x, and we're done. So I want to point out how you might think about this in a less formal way. This step where I say let u equal natural log x, sometimes it can be hard to see why I'm making that guess or why we're lucky enough for things to work out after I make that guess. And the key is we're looking for how the chain rule works backwards. That's what u-substitution is all about. And I notice that I have the cosine of the natural log, and it's sitting right next to the derivative of the natural log, this, the 1 over x part. And I see the chain rule backwards in this. I immediately say to myself, well, maybe this came from something like the sine of the natural log function. When I differentiate that, I would get the cosine of natural log x. That's differentiating the sine of natural log x with respect to natural log x. And then the chain rule says multiply by the derivative of natural log x, which is 1 over x. And I've got my antiderivative. So in practice, as you get into harder and harder applications of calculus, you do as many of these as you can by just guessing the chain rule backwards and then checking your answer, at least mentally. If you find the math content on Zach's Lab helpful, click on the Zach's Lab logo on the right to browse playlists and subscribe to the channel. I produce dozens of new videos per month, and subscribing is the easiest way to find new content. Thanks for watching.